after the fertilization, what will happen? After the fertilization of ovum in ampulla of uterine tube, the zygote undergoes successive process of cleavage division. What is cleavage division? It's the process of repeated segmentation of zygote within the zona pellucida by which division? Mitotic division in rapid succession. This is two cell stage exactly after 30 hours of fertilization. Now, as the cleavage division continues, the zygote gradually migrates from ampulla of the uterine tube, as you can see, reaches the uterine cavity at about 12 cell stage or 16 cell stage. This is 4 cell stage after 40 hours of fertilization. Again, it migrates towards the cavity of uterine wall, as well as subsequently उसके साथ साथ में ही माइटोटिक डिवीजन के थ्रू 4 सेल स्टेज में से 8 सेल स्टेज भी बन रहा है, एंड एग्जैक्टली आफ्टर द डे 2.5 आफ्टर द फर्टिलाइजेशन. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन? फ्रॉम 8 सेल स्टेज it converts into the 12 cells to 16 cell stage, and as well as entering into the cavity of body of uterus. Now it is known as morula, and at day 3 after the fertilization. Now what will happen? As the cells of morula continued divide within the uterine cavity, the fluid from the uterus passes through the zona pellucida as well as outer cells of morula by diffusion. Which process? By the diffusion, and appears in the inner cell mass and outer cell mass, possesses intercellular space. Now what will happen? Continued accumulation of the fluid inside blastocell is now converted the morula into the fluid filled single cavity known as blastocell. Is early blastocyst, which is having inner cell mass known as embryoblast, cavity for fluid filled cavity is known as blastocyst cavity, zona pellucida, and outer cell mass is known as trophoblast. Formation of, now what will happen? Zona pellucida disappears at the end of 5th day of fertilization, assisted by trypsin-like enzyme, and the polar trophoblast is implanted into the wall of the uterus. This is how the cleavage and the morulation process will take place. Now what will happen? Implantation. Let's take a look about implantation.